body robe. Wait, guy.
Taking a dump. Taking a dump.
Wait.
Geico. Taking a dump.
Geico's taking a dump?
Taking a dump. Taking a dump. Geico.
Are you? Okay, so we're sitting on the street. We're sitting on this fancy fence. Nice. Ah, that was loud. And we are bored. Are we?
Yeah. Taking a dump. Stop it, you're busy.
Oh my God.
Stop. Stop. You're embarrassing me.
Kayla.
Stop.
Kayla. What?
You shit bastard. There's a chick there.
There's a chick there where? There's a chick in there? What? I see ya. No, it won't let me zoom in more. Fuck.
Fuck.
Ah, the car's gonna run into us.
Oh, no, Charlotte.
Okay.
What did I say?
Who's Charlotte?
I don't know a Charlotte.
Charlotte. Yeah, there's no Charlotte that goes to our school.
Charlotte.
Are you going to be Sherlock Holmes now?
Charlotte. What? What do you want? I sounded like a grandma. She's like, what? What do you want?
Oh.
I kid was like, whoa.
You're like, whoa, sexy chick. No, I'm kidding. Hello.